For the repair of the Hyundai air circuit breakers HiAN16, the following procedures were necessary: overhauling of the internal parts and general cleanup of the units. For testing, a portable checker is connected to the first breaker. At first, a long time delay test is performed. Then a short time delay test. And finally, an instantaneous strip test. The same process is repeated for the second breaker. It is now clear that both air circuit breakers are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.